Looking for design tools that actually power engineering work? That's where Autodesk comes in. In 2025, Autodesk offers tools like AutoCAD, Fusion 360, and Revit that help engineers design, simulate, and collaboration on projects from concept to production. You can create 3D models, run simulations, and streamline workflows across teams and disciplines. The real strength is precision and integration. Autodesk connects design, engineering, and operations, making complex projects more manageable and efficient. While beginners may face a learning curve, professionals get unmatched control and flexibility. So, if one engineering design tools that are powerful, reliable, and scalable, Autodesk remains a top choice. Like the video, subscribe, and comment what tool you want review next.